Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete domain profiles on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Advanced System. Best match should come back with View Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. So underneath the User Profiles selection, desktop settings related to your sign-in, select the Settings button, and then any domain items or any domain profiles you want to delete, you just want to select it and then select the Delete option. So please keep in mind that if your system is no longer connected to the domain, you will not be able to log into that account after the deletion is performed. Or if you need to create a new administrative user, you do that before deleting any profiles in here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.